Sus. Okay, so we did finally get this Hyper 21 running in here. The thing that got me going is this has a 2-shoe clutch system in it, and one of them was cracked and broke. Yeah, this one. So I had 2 clutch shoes like this, and the only thing I could get to fit back in there that ended up working was a 2-shoe clutch off of a Traxxas 3.3, or the clutch shoes, not the whole clutch assembly itself. But it's working, and it seems to be fine. We're probably going to change that clutch for the ProTech clutch off of here. It's a 3-shoe clutch in the future. I don't know if I'll ever get this engine working, but yeah. And then this is the RB engine, which I'm going to just put the back plate on, and that'll be my race engine, my nice one that I'm not going to burn up. It'll get rebuilt, cleaned, repinched eventually. It's a great engine though. I don't know why that's all the way out. Oh, because that's not recessed. Okay, never mind. Anyway, back to this thing. I'm gonna run it and tune it. I think the top end's still got a little more play in there. Let's see if we can get you to stand up. Fine on the pavement, but it kind of slows down on the grass, and I believe that's just because of the really bad plastic nylon clutch. Well, this really should have a 3-shoe clutch. It's not nylon or from a 3.3. I'll probably end up burning this clutch out. Still got plenty of smoke coming out. And it's plenty fast. You know what? So I think I'm going to leave it alone. The sound I'm hearing is probably the clutch. Jump the curb. Nice. Something I am worried about is the pull start breaking, because I've had many of the same pull starts break on the other engine. There it is. Clutch is gone. Yeah, looks like the clutch bell. Let's see if I can get in here. Clutch bell's gone. Dang it. Huh. It was meshed really nice, so I guess that was just a cheaper clutch bell. I guess whatever clutch this person had on this engine before may have been like one of the eBay ones, because the spare gear is completely fine. Clutch bell, gone. Well, I guess that's how it goes. I know I got another clutch bell that I just took off the truck, because we switched the truck from a 14 to a 13, and that thing seemed to be doing really good. So yeah. Go inside. Okay. It's either a cheap clutch bell or my own stupidity. I'm willing to bet my own stupidity. Yeah. Yeah, see, I got another one right here. That'd be just fine. Yeah. Let's see if you guys can see in there. Yeah, that's not what I was expecting to happen at all. I was expecting the clutch to burn out and want the clutch bell teeth to disappear. Huh. Well, you know the engine runs, which is good. So we have 3 working engines, which probably means, no, and definitely means, this engine will probably come out of here, and then we can build this car with that engine in it for now. This will be an on-road car. I have enough off-road cars. Alright guys, I guess I'll show you videos of the truck I took earlier, once I finally got it running right and well. So, let's go to that.